Buenos dias, clase. This activity is called Listen and Write the Chocolate Story. Oops, you can see my typing when I'm talking is very bad. So you should have already watched the video about the stuffed animals and listen to that story. And now we're going to flip it. I'm going to retell the story. And as I retell it, I'm going to type it into the slides. I've got pictures to go with it. And what I would like for you to do is listen and write. So I would prefer that you do this with a notebook rather than having two screens open on your computer. So your first step is going to be get a notebook. And if you have to pause the video to do that, that's totally fine. Then after you have your notebook and something to write with, I just want you to listen to what I say, and I'll type it in, and then you will write what I type. I better add my add-on for easy accents so that when I start typing, I'll be able to have the accents, because some of my character names even have accents on them, like Rocio needs an accent over the I. So I've got that set up, but you can't see it because it's a little bit off camera. So I hope that everybody has a notebook and something to write with, and we're ready to go. ¿Listos? Okay, listos. Hay una muchacha. Hay una muchacha. Se llama, oops, not three L's. Se llama Rocio. Este es Rocio. Se llama Rocio. Ella means she, ella está feliz porque tiene chocolate. Chocolate. Muy bien. Oh, oops. Hay una muchacha, se llama Rocio. Ella está feliz porque tiene chocolate. Hay un muchacho, se llama, ¿cómo se llama? Se llama Jake. Jake el perro. Jake es un muchacho malo. Es un muchacho malo. El means he. Oh, I need an accent over my L. Él ve que Rocio tiene chocolate. Jake quiere el chocolate. Jake va hacia means towards, hacia Rocio y agarra el chocolate. Jake come el chocolate. Whew, that's pretty long. Hay un muchacho, se llama Jake. Jake es un muchacho malo. Él ve que Rocio tiene chocolate. Jake quiere el chocolate. Jake va hacia Rocio y agarra el chocolate. Jake come el chocolate. Qué malo. Hay otra muchacha. Remember her? Hay otra muchacha. Se llama Princess. Ella tiene chocolate. Princess. Oops. Princess ve que Rocío está triste. Ella le da su chocolate a Rocío. Hay otra muchacha, se llama Princess. Ella tiene chocolate. Princess ve que Rocío está triste. Ella le da su chocolate a Rocío. Ahora, Rocío y Princess están amigas. Ahora, Rocío y Princess están amigas. Al fin.